Hey guys, welcome to this video. And before telling you anything about this WebAgency Pro software, let me make it clear. And I am going to earn commissions if you buy the product from my link, because I am promoting this product to you and referring you to the product. And hence, if you buy the product, then the creator of the product will incentivize me or give me commission. There is some value, about 50%. They will give me to refer you to them. Okay. And with that note, let us start reviewing the product, which is called as WebAgency Pro. And WebAgency Pro is a kind of a software which will create your own websites, pretty much your funnel. With that funnel, what you can do is you can first of all, okay, without telling you about anything, let me show you what it does. And just before showing you everything, let me tell you that I am going to give you a lot of bonuses from my side if you buy the product from the link which is down below. And right here, as you can see, this is my bonus page, and I have a tons and tons of bonuses from my side if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Okay, and I will show you the product from inside, how to create your sites, the trainings, everything about this product. Okay, so stay tuned and let's start the review video. Okay, so let's. Hey guys, welcome to this video, and let us see what this WebAgency Pro is. And as you can see, you are just one click away from the exact done for you funnels that gets us both free viral traffic and sales in 30 seconds. Okay, it is even for newbies with no tech skills. Okay, done for you viral funnels in one click, free viral built-in, free viral traffic built-in, no hosting, no coding, no design required, commissions a day, dollars a day tutorials included for free of how to make dollars, no monthly fees. It is a one-time price. Enjoy the results while you sleep, be your own boss and attain freedom, premium live support. And just see and look at it, what they are giving, 180-day money back guarantee. So you have, oh, again, get results or get paid $500. So it is pretty much bold claim. As you can see, they are giving you 180 days to try out the product, and if you do not feel the product to be helpful, then you can get a refund, or moreover they will give you $500 if you fail. Okay, and if you do not get the results. So I hope that is pretty much very much good offer to claim for. Okay, so now let us see what this product is. So it is kind of a product which will create your site, your own funnel sites. I will not say funnels, but it will create your own WordPress sites. And that WordPress site, you can customize the complete site. You can use that site in any niche. They are giving you tons of websites, pre-built websites. You can use it to drive traffic. You can get paid to promote any offer on that site, and a lot of stuff. Okay, now there is a this video right here. I'm not gonna play this video because it will make the video, this review video, very much larger, but I will try to attach this file at the end of this video so that you can watch this video as well. So watch this video for the entirety to watch this video. Okay, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon. Okay, to never miss an update from my latest product reviews. Okay, now let us see what you need to do to drive to make money right here. First of all is purchase. Grab your copy of WebAgency Pro before the price increases. Then log into the web based app, select done for you funnel, and number 3 is enjoy. Click go and get free viral traffic, leads and sales in 30 seconds or less. So as they are saying 30 seconds or less, and this is the money they are making. And 30 seconds or less is not, means I will not say it is impossible, but it is possible for those who are already established. But if you are new, then you have to work hard before getting these kinds of results. So now let us see who is the creator of the product. The creator is David Kirby. As you can see, the reason you are still stuck. So dear friend, are you still searching for blah blah blah. The magic bullet is using the power of viral funnels in viral niches. Yes, funnels are amazing. They are generating $3 million online every day in a day job, and there are two major problems. There is a lot of stuff right here, and the funnels that they are making money, they're making these folks deca millionaires. This is Russell Brunson, and this is Anik Singhal, and they are pretty much big time millionaires using funnels only. Okay, so there are a lot of stuff right here, and I'm not gonna waste any more time on reviewing the page. You can see, and what they are gonna give you is again pretty much insane as bonuses if you buy the product. Bonus number one they are gonna give you is never seen before, $1,000 a day live training that they are gonna give you, $58 discount on upgrade 1 for a lifetime. Bonus number 1, okay, for lifetime only you will get $58 discount automatically applied when you purchase the upgrade 1. Okay, so what is the upgrade 1? And if you are unfamiliar with upgrades and these kind of stuff, then let me make it clear you at first that what you are seeing is the front end product, which is the WebAgency Pro, but they are having a lot of means it is a complete funnel. Means if you enter the funnel, and you will see a lot of means back end products as well. The first product that they are going to promote is the commercial license. With commercial license, the first product, which is costing you $17. Okay, if you buy that product, then you will be seeing the OTO 1, which is the one-time offer 1, which will cost you $37. And what this OTO 1 is, let me show you. The first product, which is the $17 product, will have the ready-made websites for you, 100 done for your websites, pages and blocks, automated traffic. The upsell one that that I was talking about is unlimited version, unlimited website creation, unlimited domains, and unlimited hosting. Okay, the price is $37 as I am showing you right here. Then they are having an elite version, the OTO 2. After the unlimited version, you will be shown another product which is costing you $47. And what this product is? This product is unlock done for you e-com funnels. Okay, so you can unlock e-commerce funnels from here. You will see unlimited done for you blogs, done for you squeeze page funnels. Okay, it is a different kind of a funnel. Okay, squeeze page funnel is means a landing page funnel. Then after that, you will be seeing another product which is unlimited local edition. On this, you will get done for you membership portals. As you can see, $38. Done for you membership portals, done for you course portals, done for you affiliate promos. Okay. After that, you will see another product which is the agency rights, which is $197. And in the agency rights, you will see that get your own agency with 250 accounts of WebAgency Pro, so that your clients can create unlimited local sites, membership sites, local funnel pages, course portals, affiliate promos. Okay, this was the agency rights. After that, the last method, the last step is white label, which is $97. And right here you will see white label version. Just add your own logo, brand name, and sell it as your own. Means white label means you can sell the WebAgency Pro software as in your terms. You can completely change the software. You can completely change the software name, software logo, and you can sell it as your product. Okay, which is the white label version. So I hope you got to know about the upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. So there are 5 upgrades, and they are giving you $58 discount on the upgrade 1. Okay, upgrade 1 was, let us see what the upgrade 1 was. I hope it is $197 because $58 discount. Retail value is $58. So $58 discount on the upgrade 1 for a limited time only. You will get a $58 discount automatically applied on the purchase of upgrade 1. So the price must be higher, and they will give you it as $47. I hope so. Then the agency license, you will get rights to the software for other people, helping them funnel setup, one-click free app, traffic sales, commanding and everything. Also agency license, you can sell the products, things. Okay, $24 24/7 world-class live support, $497, and then $100 a day WebAgency Pro case study they will give you, and everything. Now let me show you what I'm going to give you if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Okay, so since WebAgency Pro is a kind of a sort of which will make you money, and you must be interested in making money online, that is why you will be buying this product. So to means soothe your process even further, I'm going to give you huge bundles of bonuses from my side if you buy this product, and they are completely dependent, means based on making money online. So as you can see, this is my bonus page, and I am gonna give you as my bonus number 1 the real value price is, as you can see, $700, and it is completely 16 affiliate marketing courses. So the affiliate marketing is the thing that is in trending right now, and people are having a lot of success doing affiliate marketing. So I will give you as my bonus number 1 complete affiliate marketing training, and you will see a lot of things regarding to affiliate marketing that you do not know, and that will make you a lot of money from the bonus number 1 only. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of training videos, coffee shop, $300 CPA day, $200 cash hack, $1 million toolbox, $500 CPA every day, pure profit, and a lot of stuff. The bonus number 2 that I'm going to give you is $337, and the bonus number 2 is again, which is hugely required if you buy WebAgency Pro, because if you are going to create sites, then the first and foremost thing that you want is traffic on your sites, and that's problem I will solve you by giving you this product, which is the bonus number 2, and it is completely 6 traffic courses. As you can see, Incognito, 0-hour work days, the Fuego, the clones, Fuego breakout, the Bang profits, and all of these are traffic courses. So you will get a tons of traffic to your websites if you buy, if you get your hands on the bonus number 2 from here. Okay, this is only the bonus number 2, and now the bonus number 3. If you are online and want to make money online, then the bonus number 3 will help you out in your journey a lot. Okay, the bonus number 3, as you can see, 0-hour work days, 0-hour from $0 to $100 a day, 24 hours, the breakthrough. All of these are money making courses. As you can see, the Profit Factory, the Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays, Secret Weapon, El Bandito. So all of these are the make money online courses. Okay, so you will get to know how to make money online from this bonus number 3 that I'm going to give you. So what you need to do is simply go down below in the description, click the link, and you will land on this page. If from this page, click on any of the buttons which is stating click here to secure a copy and your bonuses. Okay, and you will land on this WebAgency Pro account. From here, if you click on any of the links right here and buy the product, all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, but the catch is you are having time of this much only, but this is the time from when I am recording this video, so you will must having less time than this one. Okay, so kindly check out this timer. When the timer hits 0, you will not get access to my bonuses, and hence what you need to do is simply come right here, click the buy the product from here, and you will get all of the bonuses from me, okay, on your account. Okay, now let us see the product from inside, and as you can see, this is the product. This is the product dashboard. Dashboard, home, my sites, add new site, create a new site, tutorial videos, marketing kit. They're going to give you a lot of kit as well to market this whole stuff. Posts, media, pages, all of these stuffs. Users, WordPress forms. Okay, so they are also having Facebook community, 24/7 customer support, training videos, web agency kit, and dashboard, create new site, my site, tutorial videos, and marketing kit. So now let us see what sites they are having. On clicking on my sites, they're giving you a lot of stuff right here. Review access, NFT multiverse, COVID-19 awareness, review, Soro, Plumber Las Vegas, and a lot of stuff. Now let us see the marketing kit, what marketing kits they are having. Okay, so you can create the sites from your own leisure. I'm not gonna do that. Now the marketing kit, so as you can see, you are having done for you agency pack, agency graphics pack, done for you legal contracts, persuasive email series, highly effective telemarketing script, professional web consultant training, web ad banners, and a lot of stuff. And so similarly, there are a lot of things you have to come right here. Watch the tutorial videos. I have seen a lot of things, so let me just give you an example of what kind of sites they are creating. Okay, so if I click on, let us see the COVID-19 awareness campaign. This is a kind of a website that you can create. Protect yourself, save each other. There is an automatic counter as well. What is COVID-19 and a lot of stuff about COVID-19. You can create similar kind of a software right here, and you are having a lot of things. You can edit the complete site right here, edit with Elementor, and edit the page, customize the page, and my sites, review access, NFT universe, COVID-19 awareness, review, Asoro, and a lot of stuff. So this is what about the WebAgency Pro. Now let me show you one last thing before going down. This is the bonus page. This is the bonus of mine, and you will get access to all of these bonuses before the timer hits 0. Okay, so kindly go and buy the product before this timer hits 0. Click the link down below, and you will land on this page. From this page, you know what to do. Click right here, go to the sales page, buy the product, and all of these bonuses, tons and tons of bonuses that I showed you. All of these bonuses, bonus number 1, bonus number 2, 6 traffic courses, bonus number 3, 9 money making courses, all of these will be transferred to your account. Okay, these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you, and I hope this was helpful. If you buy this product, then I will be very much happy to see your success. And if you have any question regarding to this product, kindly comment down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. And else, enjoy. And one before going, let me show you one little trick to get a discount on this product. Okay, so if you are on this website, okay, if you are on this website and you have to pay right here, as you can see, $17 for the product. Okay, but if you refresh the page, just watch me very carefully. If you refresh the page and then move your cursor to the address bar, if I move my cursor to the address bar, then I will see, wait, stop right there and click the button below, and you will get a $5 discount right now. So you have to pay only $12 for this product instead of $17. So it will be a great fit for you, and it will be applied to all of the upsells also. Means the upsells that I showed you, the complete funnel, unlimited version, elite version, unlimited local edition, agency, and white label rights. So it will apply on all of those stuff. So refresh the page. When you refresh the page, you will see a downsell, and from that you will get a discount, a huge discount on all of the sales funnel. Okay, so it works on every product out there. Okay, so that is why keep this thing in mind. And if you have any doubt, then kindly ask me down below in the comment section. And so kindly subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon, like this video, share this video with others who are in this online journey, so they can also make money through this product. And I will meet you on the next video regarding to any other product or another training. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.